Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing high-impact assets that prove capability. Gather 5 core services and attach one-line value statements that show outcomes. Price them in simple tiers like $, $, $, $, $, $. Once done, pick the first 3 representative work samples, screenshots, chat transcripts, short video clips, and prepare captions explaining the challenge and result. Make sure to remove sensitive data and replace client names. This gets you past setup and into tangible proof you can show immediately. Now assemble the middle work. Format samples into concise case slices using problem, action, result. Include a metric like time saved, conversion percent, or dollar impact. Once arranged, design a single-page portfolio or compact 2-3 section PDF that leads viewers from credibility to next step. Include a services grid and one clear CTA. Book a call, email, or apply form. Make sure visuals are consistent and captions explain your role. This turns evidence into a persuasive narrative that converts. Finish by publishing and promoting. Post your single-page portfolio on LinkedIn, a minimal website, and one freelancer platform. Once live, track 3 KPIs: views, replies, conversion rate, and iterate weekly. Refine copy, reorder samples, or adjust pricing. If you get no responses, troubleshoot quickly. Swap the lead CTA, shorten the intro to a single sentence, and a /B test case order. Make sure every edit has a goal. Repeat until you consistently generate inquiries and can trace which change moved the needle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.